Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Um, I have a small question about the breakfast.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. What would you like to know?
Well, I'm not sure where to get the hot food.
Oh, no problem at all. The hot food is just over there, near the window.
Oh, I see it now.
Yes, that long table with the silver trays.
Ah, okay. I didn't notice it when I walked in.
That happens sometimes. The room can be a little busy in the morning.
Yes, there are quite a few people here today.
This morning we have eggs, toast, and pancakes.
Oh, that sounds really nice. I love pancakes.
Many guests do. They are very popular.
I can understand why.
We also have some fruit and yogurt on the other table.
That's great. I like having a few different things for breakfast.
Yes, many people like to try a little bit of everything.
Everything smells really good.
Thank you. We try to prepare fresh food every morning.
That's wonderful.
Our kitchen staff starts working very early.
Wow, that must be a busy morning for them.
It is, but they enjoy it.
And where can I get coffee?
The coffee machine is right behind you.
Oh, I see it now.
Yes, it's next to the juice station.
I didn't notice it before.
That's okay. Sometimes people walk past it.
I guess I was looking at the food instead.
That happens a lot.
Can I also get tea there?
Yes, of course. There are tea bags and hot water.
Oh, that's perfect.
And we also have orange juice and apple juice.
Great, thank you.
Are you enjoying your stay at the hotel?
Yes, I am. The room is very comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that.
The bed is very nice, and the room is very quiet.
That's great.
And the breakfast area is very pleasant too.
Thank you very much.
Everyone here has been very friendly.
We try our best to make our guests feel welcome.
It really shows. Thank you for helping me.
You're very welcome.
Now I know where everything is.
Great. I'm happy I could help.
I think I'm going to get some pancakes now.
That's a great choice.
They smell too good to miss.
I hope you enjoy them.
Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.